Hi everyone, I'm Jerry.
I'm Sarah.
And we were just sent this lovely L-shaped corduroy sofa. And we're going to be assembling this in our little villa here in our sunroom because it's going to match our decor in this house. The first step that it says is to, of course, unbox everything. Now this did come in a fairly compact box and it does have several parts, but it seems very easy to put together. And they give you really good instructions. And the first step is to take all these feet and simply insert them into these holes like this, like we've done there. And we're just going to twist these in. It uses these little locking discs that as it gets a little closer down here to the bottom, it starts getting a little more tight, and then they will just kind of lock into place and they shouldn't move back around. So we're going to go ahead and do that on the other ones. We've got 4 more of those, and then we're going to go ahead and connect the base.
So all of these cushions all came individually packaged and they were all vacuum sealed, so they were real small. It does say to wait 48 hours to make sure that it's completely big and fluffy. They have their own little containers. You just simply unzip them, which is great because later on if you do spill on these, you can easily take these off to get them cleaned up.
Now that we've got all our feet put on there and she's stuffing the cushions, you've got our side piece here. Boy, this is really some nice fabric too. It's a really nice soft fabric on this. It's got these channels here that allow you to have a wider point at the top and a narrow point at the bottom that will lock in place. I've got the side piece here, and this is one of the middle section that has the receiving end of these locking channels. And I'm simply going to take one of those and place it over the top of this and press down, and that will allow us to form the first side piece that we need. Then I'm going to go ahead and attach the other side piece and then connect the two in the middle. So now that we've got both sides put together, on each side you have a receiving clip here on this side, and the other side has one that goes the opposite direction over here. And so we're simply going to take this one and put it up over the top of this, and they will interlock like that into the middle. And that will keep it all firm and together. So now we're ready to add the back. Now as you can see, the sofa is well over 100 inches long, so it's a long sofa. It's got these 2 back pieces. Each back piece is equipped with 2 of these latching mechanisms here and has one on the side. This one is on this side, on the left side, and that one's on the right side. And it has receiving clips on these other sides as well. So again, same as before, no tools required. Simply pick this up, slide it over the areas that it needs to be, and we'll just lock it into place.
All right, so I've got all these all stuffed. Now whenever you go to put them on the couch, they have this nice layer of Velcro to line up at the bottom of the Velcro, so that way they're not just gonna slide right off. And then we just line them up. Same goes with the top here. You got your Velcro strip. So I'm just gonna put all my cushions on, and then I'll get my kids, and we are going to hang out on this nice sofa. All right, so we're on the sofa. I've got all my kids here. We all fit. We even have room for my husband if he ever wants to join us. We're gonna read a little book and enjoy it. But this sofa is so soft and comfortable. It's a nice corduroy. This is the green color, but it comes in several other colors. This one is 106 inches long. It's about 31 inches deep and only sits 35 inches tall. So you can actually still see outside. We have beautiful windows behind us, so it doesn't really block the view. This is an awesome addition to this room. It opens it all up. It's very modern. The sofa from KKL is super comfortable. So one of the really nice things about the sofa is the removable covers. So then if anybody were to spill, we can easily take off the cover and get it cleaned up. That makes it so easy, especially with a family. We always have spills.